Hi viewers, Wes from websitedesign.co.za again. Today we have two very special guests. First up is Dylan. Dylan is one of our amazing website developers.
Hello, everyone.
We also have Layla joining us. Layla's from one of our other departments, entertainmentonline.co.za.
Hi guys.
Today we're going to chat about the importance of maintaining your website. We have chosen to invite Layla as Layla doesn't work in our departments and her knowledge of websites is pretty much going onto an e-commerce website and clicking checkout. So some of the questions that she's going to ask are going to be the important ones that our clients will ask. Dylan will be showing some examples. We're going to focus on CMS websites, which are content management systems. So essentially your WordPress websites. Okay, let's get going.
Okay, hi guys. So I foster stray puppies and dogs in my spare time, and I don't have a website for this just yet, and I'm considering having one built and created for me. I'm not too sure if I should go very simple to start off with, or maybe add a shop where I can sell items to start raising funds. So my first question is there anything such as software that I need to be updated on regular basis? My phone doesn't stop sending me updates, and I need to know, will my website do this for me as well?
Good question, Lola. And the answer is yes. You'll log into the back end of the website where you'll see all the updates that need to be done. Examples of this are your WordPress software updates and also your plugin updates. Most of these need to be up to date with current tech.
Yeah, what Wesley said. Updates, when it comes to updates on your website, we recommend updating your website at least once a month. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to do these updates. Okay, so here we are logged into the WordPress dashboard. As you can see, I am on the Updates tab, and we have 11 updates with this red notification icon. As we can see when we scroll down, there's a lot going on, but I'm going to make it as simple and easy to understand for you. We've got one major WordPress update, as you can see. We've got 6 plugin updates, and we've got 4 theme updates. Let me quickly demonstrate how we update these. First of all, let's click on Update WordPress itself. This will take a few seconds. All right, WordPress has been updated. Let's hop on and update our software like plugins. Plugins are used as extra functionality on your website when you need some complex features. So let's quickly go and update them.
What's an example of some of those, Dylan?
Some examples of plugins that you may want on your website. For instance, if you want a newsletter feature, we'd add a plugin that supports a newsletter for your website. Or another option would be a backup plugin if you want to create backups on your website. A third option would be for marketing. We've got supporting plugins that promotes marketing like SEO, our excellent SEO services. So all of those are part of plugins that's on your website to extend its features and functionalities. So let's quickly update our plugins. We do not have to select one by one. We can just click at the top, select all, and we can click update. These updates shouldn't take more than 1 or 2 minutes.
Okay, thanks. So what will happen if I don't do these updates?
Well, that's a great question, Layla. These updates, your plugins, your themes, and your WordPress system, when these updates appear, they normally contain security patches. Security patches are very important for your website. Normally, some clever people on the internet, they sometimes gain access. So keeping your plugins updated will prevent hackers from accessing your website and also enable you to use new features on your website that weren't previously a thing.
Dylan, before we move on, if you can quickly explain to Layla first of all, what PHP is and the importance of doing that regular update.
Yeah, of course. PHP is a programming language that makes the website even possible. So our WordPress CMS system was built on PHP. So is the plugins and the themes that you are using. Now, PHP cannot be updated directly on the website. It's normally done on your web hosting package. However, these updates, PHP normally releases updates every year or so. So keeping your plugins updated is one thing. but you also need to make sure to update your PHP version on your web hosting panel so that your PHP language, as well as your plugins, communicate seamlessly together in order to avoid any errors on your website.
Okay, great.
Okay, these all sound very important. Thank you. So from time to time, I want to update some text and images on the website. I may have to add extra pages. Is this something I can do by myself?
Yeah, it definitely is. Dylan will give a quick overview of this.
Absolutely. The way you would add pages to your website, your first question, Layla, when you're on the back end of your WordPress website, you would simply navigate to Pages, and then you would see a button that says Add New Page. From there, you can start designing your website with our excellent plugin builders that we use. Additionally, your second question was changing text or perhaps an image. I've opened a new tab to show you how to do this. Once you are on your page, when you edit it with this button right here, you will be prompted to edit the website's front end. So as a demonstration, let me quickly show you how to change this image. When you hover over it, there's a gear icon. You click on that, and then from here, you can click on the image, select an image from your library, let it load for a second. Here you can select any image that's already on your website, or you can add a new image from your desktop computer.
Great.
Okay, great. So if I decide to create a shop, what all is needed from me and how can I manage it?
Okay, to start off, we would need to know all the information about your products. We have an excellent product sheet, which gives you all the details or all the information that we need. It's an Excel sheet. It has all the different columns. You'd also need a online payment gateway. Essentially, an online payment gateway is an online bank. So unfortunately, we wouldn't be able to open this on your behalf. Most of our clients use either PayPal or PayFast. We'll never ever ask you for your login details or your passwords. We simply just need your merchant code or your merchant ID to make sure that the bank and the website speak together. An e-commerce website uses WooCommerce to manage the shop side of things. This part of the website also has important updates. Dylan.
Yeah, so let me quickly show you how to do your e-commerce or your online shop updates. These updates are very similar to a normal website that's not a shop. The only thing you would need to look out for on the Updates tab is when you scroll down, we use WooCommerce to make online stores possible. So the same way I've demonstrated on how to update your plugins, you do the same thing. WordPress will usually let you know if WooCommerce has an update. Additionally, from time to time, you will also receive a pop-up notification similar to this one, where it will ask you to update your database for your WooCommerce store. You can simply click Update Database, and the process should be finished.
Okay,
Great.
thanks, Wes and Dylan. These are some important things I need to think before I decide to create a website. I know the benefits of having a website, and they are quite important. For me, I just need to consider if I can find the time to manage and maintain the site on my own.
This is where our excellent maintenance packages comes in. So if you are short on time, we can do the work for you. We can select a maintenance package suitable for you and your needs. Additionally, if you feel like these maintenance packages aren't really for you, don't worry. At Website Design, we create a personalized website maintenance package just for your needs.
Thanks, viewers, and hopefully new clients for taking the time to watch this. Hope this video has given a bit more insight of the importance of maintaining your website. I know a lot of clients don't know much about websites. That's our forte, it's not your forte. For instance, if you had to ask me to do your bookkeeping for your company, I would not be able to do that. But an analogy that I always like to use is your car. You buy a car, it's brand new out of the box, everything's running smoothly, but from time to time there are regular service intervals and some items that may go wrong outside of anyone's control.
Part of our client care is that we offer website training services as well. We've got a set training packages available for you where we will show you how to maintain your own website, from adding products, maintaining them, deleting some products that you no longer use, even changing some of your website images, and even modifying your contact form. Everything in our training packages.
Great. For more information, please click on the link below this video. Alternatively, you can send an email to action@websitedesign.co.za. Special thanks to our special guests, Dylan from our department, websitedesign.co.za, and Layla from entertainmentonline.co.za. It's time to sign off now. So goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone.